In this problem, black must capture some of white's stones in order to save these 3 black stones, which are cut off and about to be killed. So the first move has to be this wedge, because a lot of wrong moves can be followed by white's simple connection here. If black plays here, threatening to play this double Atari, white can play here or here. And this jump will ensure white's connection. The reason why black plays here first is that it takes white's 2 moves to remove it, while black has a critical move in number 3. And now black can jump in, white connects, then black will be able to capture these 2 white stones. White captures, then this is a connect and die situation, and black will be able to succeed. Similarly, if white covers from this side, black will just cut here, and this will be very similar to the previous pattern. If white tries anything else, black will just be able to cut off white, like this. This is not okay for white. So overall, the takeaway here is this wedge move. It's very key. You have to sacrifice number 1 in order to play this number 3 move basically for free, because after number 3, white cannot really defend against its own weaknesses here. And this allows black to be able to play number 5 and set up a connect and die. Without number 1 sacrifice, number 3 and number 5 could not be played consecutively against white. Hope that made sense. Good luck, and thank you for watching.